Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sunrisa and Snapshots channel. This is Sunrisa here, and today we are at Drummer Boy Camping Resort, which is in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. This is the last stop for our grandkids before they go back to school. So we're going to take a quick tour, so come on along and let's see what they offer here.
Oh yeah, that is the better way. Cool, cool. We gotta make that the better way. We don't have to go down the big hill. Nice. Remember what we just did? That's the way to go from now on. It's one way. Big hill along the list.
Now we gotta go to the left. Right.
Alright.
So we were on our way to try to find the playground for the kids. So in the meantime, let me tell you a little bit about this place. This is, like I said, Drummer Boy Camping Resort, which is located at 1300 Hanover Street in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. They offer 459 sites. This is a Thousand Trails resort, which is part of the Trails collection. They are open from April 1st to October 30th. And they also have cabins, cottages, and lofts. So if you don't have a rig, that's quite fine. You still can camp. And we've also seen some tents there too. So as we're driving along, look to see if you can find any tents in the scenery there. Now they said they're a short distance from driving distance from attractions in Washington, Baltimore, Lancaster, and also Hershey, Pennsylvania. And then, you have the battlefield tours that you can do in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. So apparently it is a lot to do there. We unfortunately were unable to do the extracurricular stuff, but let's continue to check out the tour.
He said that tree just fell. There's your golf music.
Playground closes at dusk.
Was it dust yet? So then you ain't got long to play. Go.
Now, I'm not sure if you were able to see when the kids were running over to the playground, right off to the right-hand side was one of their pools. And that pool area has the hot tub. And of course, you know Snapshot, he loves his hot tub. So of course he tested it out. So did I. And as far as the heat, yes, it was hot. The only thing is we noticed they had these black bugs, flies or whatever it is, and boy oh boy, they were trying to bite the Snapshot. So between him trying to contend with that. But anyway, so yes, they have two pools, like I said, one hot tub, and the pool right where you see the kids playing now, that is the one that's on top in the higher section where we were staying, and they have the area for the little kids to play, and also their famous slide. Those kids love that slide, and you can see everybody playing on that slide. Okay. This is our site here. We're in 367, and I'll show you how long it is. We got the truck here, the trailer here. If the golf cart was behind the trailer, we would still have more room to put another car there. Huge site. You see, you have the picnic table. We have a fire ring. Most of these sites are that big. 638 is right over there. That one is even larger. And I think that's Kevin and Michael's favorite. Here's the pool and the slide. Let's go and see what the bathroom looks like. Well, this was a great 3 weeks with the grandkids, and it is almost over. They had a wonderful time. We did too. But what's great about being a grandparent is that you can send your grandkids back home to their mom and dad. So until next year with them, they gotta go back to school now. Okay. Well, this is what the bathrooms look like. Not bad. Could be 100 times worse. Not bad at all. If you all are looking to book here, I say come on down. They also offer seasonal sites and also short-term rentals. So come on down. This is one of the campgrounds that I really enjoy, and so does Snapshot. They have huge sites, as you can see when we were taking our tour around. And yeah, it's close to a lot of things that you can enjoy. Now, on our next video, we will show you another campground that is not too far from Drummer Boy Camping Resort. And we made a tour of that one, and then we'll let you know our thoughts on that campground. Definitely big rig friendly. And these two talks, they were camping together, and the incline on our ramp for our trailer trying to get the golf cart up was so steep that they came over and helped push that golf cart into our trailer. I'm telling you, that is what camping is all about. So come on along, everyone. See you soon, and be safe.